Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain why Canada housing is so expensive. Focus on 4 main drivers and practical signs to watch for. Rapid population growth and immigration raise buyer numbers faster than housing builds. Limited land supply and zoning rules prevent quick expansion. Low interest rates and investor purchases add price pressure across cities. Understanding these factors helps you interpret market signals and consider realistic housing strategies. In this video, I will explain why Canada housing is so expensive. Watch for practical policy and market details I highlight. Restrictive zoning and protected land limit new builds near job hubs. Permitting backlogs and long timelines defer supply increases for years. Material prices and skilled labor scarcity raise per-unit costs for developers. These supply-side constraints keep prices elevated even when demand fluctuates seasonally and regionally. In this video, I will explain why Canada housing is so expensive. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers I like for tidy lunches and fewer spills, which is a nice small win when budgets and time are tight. They stack neatly and save money compared to ordering out, so consider one for busy weeks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain why Canada housing is so expensive. Follow the numbers and policy impacts I outline next. Historically low mortgage rates increased buying power and pushed prices upward. Investors seeking returns convert units to rentals or short stays, tightening supply for buyers. Tax settings and incentives often encourage ownership and investment rather than boosting rental construction. These financial drivers interact with demand and supply to inflate market values.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.